Hello and welcome to another painting video. The Indian subcontinent is experiencing monsoon, so I thought I should make a painting video representing this season. When I think about monsoon, the first thing comes into my mind is green landscape. So I have decided that I will make a painting on one of the fascinating views which inspires me, which is actually in front of my house where I live. When I was on board ship, I took this video of a fishing boat in a rough sea. And if you go to Arabian Sea before the building up of the monsoon, I think the view and the drama would be like this. The canvas which I am using here is primed canvas and I have already marked it. I use a lot of these roughly round and elliptical brushstrokes to achieve the depth and the complexity in the painting in a very simplest way. In this painting, I have used sap green and cadmium yellow a lot. Sap green is one of the extraordinary pigments a painter can come across when he is working with oil. Can you see that it is almost black, and the capability of this pigment on a finely primed canvas is amazing. This pigment was first extracted from unripe berries in the late 1300. Due to its concentration, this pigment, also called as lake pigment, it looks like I'm painting at a very high pace, but oil painting is long and time consuming process. It can take several days, sometimes maybe more than that, to dry a single paint layer. And I prefer to apply another layer only after drying last one. And because of these multi layers, oil painting do hold some kind of a depth in it, and therefore oil painting demands not some but a lot of time and patience. The second color I have used a lot here is cadmium yellow, and it contains cadmium. So while using this color, take extra precaution. This cad yellow is buttery smooth and I really enjoyed using this color. Before the discovery of a synthetic yellow like cadmium, painters were using Indian yellow as a yellowish pigment. Indian yellow can produce clear, deep yellow and orange color, but now it is banned and illegal to produce. An interesting fact is that it was extracted from the cow urine, and cow have to be on a certain diet of mango leaves. Crazy and weird stuff to understand, right? But paintings made up out of those pigments comes with an extraordinary price tag, and nowadays it is almost impossible to get one of those. And Indian yellow have this inherent ability to hold observers' attention through those transparent layers. Indian monsoon is one of the most anticipated, tracked, and studied weather activity in the Indian subcontinent region. One of the main pillars of the Indian economy and the long lasted finance minister of the subcontinent. Particularly in this type of a landscape view painting, I like things to be uncalculated without noticing the shape. A fine brushstroke to make the shimmering water, and I'm done with the painting. I have enjoyed a lot while making this painting, and somehow I managed to paint this green landscape. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be calling off the video soon. So see you next time.